In this video we're going to explore Cospaces and we're going to learn how we can navigate in two modes, in play mode and creative mode. Now we're going to go over to Cospaces in a minute and you'll find the options to navigate between gallery and classes in the top left hand corner of your screen. And I'd like to click on gallery and then you'll be able to see different spaces that people have made. And they'll look something like this. And in the top right hand corner of each space, if they've got a plus, that means you can remix them. And if they have a square like this, that means they're made with a merge cube. And if they have a plus and a cube, that means they're made for a merge cube and you can remix them. So let's go over to the student account of Cospaces so you can have a look at what this looks like. So on the left hand side at the top here, I'd like to click on gallery and choose any space that looks interesting for you. And you can see how they're organized with social sciences, languages, literature, STEM, and I like this one. So it's an adventure game. And I'd like you to see if you could work out the controls. I bet to most of you, if you play any online games, then the controls are going to be very familiar to you. Once you've had a go with one, then you can come out by pressing the arrow in the top left hand corner. If you've done that, I'd like to go and have a look at another one. This is your opportunity to have a play and actually start thinking, it's really interesting how these spaces have been put together, and you can make spaces exactly like this. So this is a different example. This was the merge cube that I was telling you about, and this uses AR, augmented reality, to project it onto a cube. And we also have these in school. So this is another option, and another way that you could present your learning. I'd like to spend about 10 minutes playing around on the different worlds, and then we are going to learn about the controls in create mode. So click on free play on the left hand side and click welcome to Cospaces EDU, because this is a brilliant tutorial on how to use the navigation tools when you are making a space for yourself. So find the icon in the top left hand corner just here, click on there, and if you're using a desktop, click on this one. If you're using a tablet, you can scroll down a couple of screens and it will give you instructions there. Follow the on-screen instructions. So it will start off by getting you to rotate, and then it wants you to hold the space bar and drag and move. It asks you to use a mouse. I'm actually doing this with a tracker pad, so if you've got a laptop, that's fine. Scrolling in and out, so we use our bunny rabbit fingers, use two fingers at the same time, and you can try and scroll in and see that tiny object that's in between the arrows just there. Tiny, tiny goat, I think. And then here you're going to hone in on this mouse by clicking on V. And then to come out again, to go to the original view, you can click on C. Once you've done this tutorial, you can have a look at this one, which is in the next page down. Now, I haven't spent any time on this because I don't think this is the most important one. But if you want to spend a couple of minutes following these instructions, it will be really useful for you later. One I think is even more important is right at the bottom of the tutorials. Once you've had a look at this one, don't spend too long on this one, scroll down to object manipulation. Now this is really important because Cospaces are made of different objects, and you pull out lots of different objects and you can position them, you can attach them, you can change the color, you can change the position, and this short tutorial is going to teach you the basics of that. So first up, it's asking you to find a cat in the library. So scroll through there. Once you've found what you think is the cat, obviously this isn't the cat, but when you've found the cat, then pull it out, and that's where you're going to find all your objects to make your spaces. Then once you have an object, there are 4 basic controls in order to be able to maneuver them. You can rotate them on 3 axes. You can move them up, down, left and right, and forwards, backwards on 3 planes there. That's to just move up, and that is to resize. So see if you can give this tiger a hand and put the tiger the right way up on the floor. Over here in this bear, it's asking you to change the color. You can also have a go at, in animation, changing its mood. So you can get it to do things as well. Not all objects can be animated, but more and more of the animals can be, and the human beings as well. It's really fun. Now here, you're going to be asked to duplicate the fence. There are two ways of doing it. You can do duplicate in Inspector, or you can do the keyboard shortcut. So if it's an Apple computer, it would be Command-C, Command-V, or if it's, say, Chromebook or Windows, it would be Control-C, Control-V. Last one, attach the horse rider to the horse, please. So click on an object, click A, all these blue dots appear, and you need to choose where you want to attach that object. And here's a summary of those controls, and these are the controls that we're going to be using in Create mode.